Hey, this is Christian Buckley, Microsoft Regional Director and MVP in the Office Servers and Services focus area. I want you to join me on August 21st, it's a Tuesday, for an all-day workshop entitled Improving Organizational Productivity and Engagement with Microsoft Teams. So if you've been struggling with that problem of which tool to use when and want to understand how to better leverage the tools, the latest tools out of Redmond, and also where you've already made investments within your organization, this session is for you. So the prerequisites for the class are that you need to bring a laptop. It'd be great if you have access to your own organization's Teams environment. If you don't have Teams up and running today, don't worry, we'll provide a demo environment. It's always great to have access to real data, real systems, and go in and play with those things. So get permission if you need to from your admin, or if you're the admin, go set it up. But you don't have to have live content and people within that, but it's great to be able to play with your live system versus a demo environment. In the workshop, we're going to be running through all of the core capabilities of Microsoft Teams, of course, but we're also going to be talking about how Teams aligns with your other environments, the other workloads, specifically SharePoint, and also with Yammer, if you're using Yammer. Additionally, I'll also walk through some of the best practices that are out there, guidance from other MVPs and community leaders that are out there, as well as from Microsoft. Provide some guidance just around how to better leverage the technology, how you can enhance the productivity of your end users, and we'll go through that onboarding process. So if you are new to Teams, where do you start? How do you go and effectively roll this out so that you have that organic success? There's a number of other topics that we're going to cover. The session says intermediate, however, there is a lot of content there for beginners as well. So you're going to get that foundation of what Teams is and then how to use it going forward. But you can't really administrate Teams or any platform without having kind of a comprehensive view of the end user capabilities. Because those, fundamentally, those are the questions that you're going to get as an admin is, how do I use the technology? So we're going to talk a lot about that, run through scenarios, help you answer those core questions, understand how to leverage the platforms, the workloads that you already have up and running, and we're going to do all of that in one day. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Of course, I'm on Twitter at Buckley Planet, and you can find my blog at buckleyplanet.com. But come prepared to participate. You're going to walk away with practical experience on how to best leverage Microsoft Teams. That's going to be able to allow you to immediately help your organization. So we'll see you in Seattle.